Hi, my name is Hope Worthy. I'm a guidance counselor at Ben Franklin High School in Philadelphia, and I thought the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was wonderful. They had a lot of energy, they had the students engaged, they had fun, the staff really enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend the Beautiful Assembly to everybody. My favorite part of the Beautiful Assembly was the students being engaged. I like how Humble had all the students come down, they were dancing, talking about their goals. He pulled some people on stage and really talked about what they want to do in the future. So that was my favorite part of the assembly. I would definitely encourage counselors, principals to bring the Beautiful Assembly into their school building. It's very motivating. It gets the students to thinking. It's a lot of energy. So definitely bring them into your schools.
Beautiful, beautiful life.